YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Jimmy Official. I'm back again with another video, and right behind me I have my first electric dirt bike. Finally, it literally just came in right now. I've been waiting on this for a long time now, a few months. It's finally here. You guys do know I have a Gixxer 1000 and I also have a Ducati Hypermotard 1100, but this is my first electric dirt bike. Let's check it out. Alright guys, I got the bike out of the box. So basically the bike, this is how the bike looks. It looks pretty nice. I like the way it looks. I like the stance. Damn bro, I gotta put everything together. So it comes with the rear tire on, chain on, the computer's right here. I have to put on the front tire. I have to put on, where's the suspension at? I have to put the suspension on too. So we got the suspension right here. Done. You guys can see how it look. Oh, the rear cover's already on. That's perfect. Okay, everything's basically screws and bolt on. So give me a few minutes. I'm gonna put this on, put it together. YouTube, what up YouTube? It's your boy Jimmy Official. So I am here to come pick up my electric dirt bike. Ooh, we got the electric dirt bike right here. Ooh. What's up, man? How you?
Hello.
I'm here.
Filming?
Yeah.
I replaced all the spokes in it.
Okay. Got that EKX X21 Maxi. Finally got the bike here. It's looking good, man. It's giving dirt bike feeling for sure. Bouncy suspension. That thing torquey. Even got the park option too, which is so dope. I haven't ever known the e-bike's got the park option. That's crazy, yo. But man, it's pretty torquey, pretty fast. Let's give it a ride. Yo, this thing is like, it's type heavy. I can't lie. Like, it got super heavy, yo. Like, I can lift it, but I don't want to mess the forks up. Woo! Look at them brakes. Them brakes is serious. Hold on. Can I do a donut? No, if I can do a donut. Hold on, let's see if I can do. Let's see if I can. It won't let you hold the brake and the gas at the same time. Can I do a, oh my God. See how torquey it is? I think I might go 72 volt with a bigger battery and computer. What happens if I go? That front suspension is, oh. Oh, this is a second. Gotta make sure we get that on right. All right. I wonder if I could do tricks on here. Got the thumbnail. Yeah. I like it, bro. Pros is fast, it's torquey, very torquey. You can't hurt yourself on this. You really can. The battery time is about 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, which is, whew, man, 5 to 6 hours. I had it on the charger since this morning, and I rode 25 minutes to get here. It's still, where we at? It's still at 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, so it's not bad. Mileage-wise, it's not bad, but other than that, I like the bike. Like I said, I will be upgrading the rims. I mean, the tires. Battery later down the line, but batteries definitely. I need a 72 volt battery. They go for about $2,500. So I'm gonna have to invest in that because I want it to be faster. The guy said I can get it to about 100. It goes about 60. I think I hit 70 going down the hill, but 60 max. 60 max. The more heavier you are, the slower it will be, unfortunately. But definitely want to invest in it, man. Like I seen this guy the other day. He had
an e-bike he went like, that was his daily, like he went shopping with it and he parked it in the parking lot. This is, you don't have to register, you don't have to put insurance on it or nothing like that. So I feel like it's a good investment, man. But it's your boy Jimmy Official. Shout out to EKX. They told me they got another bike in production, but this bike's pretty amazing. For my first electric dirt bike motorcycle, this one's amazing, man. Minus the little negatives that came in the box, and I had to go, you know, it took me about a week to actually ride it before it came. It actually took me a week to actually ride it. So now that it's on the road, I'm happy with it, and I can't wait to enjoy it, get the bigger battery, get bigger range. It goes about 60 miles for range, so that's not bad. But the bigger the battery, the more range, more power, so that's what we're gonna invest in. Shout out to Empowered 2 for fixing the rear wheel. You guys know I got the rear wheel fixed. The spokes came broken, so we got those fixed. Other than that, man, we good, we here. I appreciate y'all for the support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as you guys don't know, this is now a lifestyle bike tech page. So I'm gonna be posting lifestyle content, tech stuff. I just got a new MacBook, new iPhone, actually, 16 Pro Max. But and lifestyle stuff, so all that, hit the like button, subscribe button. There's something here for everybody. Love and peace.